Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down the server and confirm all LEDs are off, then label cables so reassembly is fast. You must support the unit, use a helper or a 50 lb rated sling because rails won't hold the weight unsupported. Once stable, release the front rail latch and retract anti-sway pins. This unlocks movement. Keep one hand under the server edge while you operate the latch because sudden shifts can pinch or drop the chassis. You slide the server forward slowly, controlling speed with both hands to avoid jerking the rails. Make sure inner slides are fully extended. If the rail has release levers, depress them to disengage the inner slide from the chassis. Once the slides are decoupled, support the rear while you disconnect network, power, and KVM cables. Do this before withdrawing the chassis entirely. If you feel resistance, stop and inspect the latches. Force causes bent rails and alignment issues. You lift the server straight out while a partner steadies the rails. Place the chassis on an anti-static mat. Once clear, inspect both rail assemblies for bends, debris, or missing screws and re-engage any locking mechanisms to keep rails closed. Make sure to tag and store screws and rails together for reinstallation. If the unit is stuck, stop immediately, retract the slides fully, check retention clips and alignment, then attempt removal again to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.